Gwa mavona nateka onini ende ine twalika wesethia ne twasongania vamwe ngenya muthia umunthe wa kwambiriria matuko ni nyanya mwai wa muonza mwaka wa 2024 na ende yu no kaita mawoni maku yulwa mavona ngwitha ndio nengalelia kwisela ile itatu kenda imwe 5 namba yote mani mukuve vatendi vi ambia na ndeto mutongo TV na ndeni wa mitandao itu yonde ya mekumukanile kwa oyu tuambe kuona amwe kati wala tumanengete uitu
alatukumbanesye ne bamwe na
NND eli okama sako kuyumilia umbanoni wa public participation ola wetito ne muvea wa malelo Zama ya budget mbungeni nene kuweta mbesa sia budget ya mwaka huu ikuolwa waki wanza cha Tala Township kwa ya matungulu kukwama kwa ivinda yasa na koti wa shanzu kwambisya kwithukise kwani ya kilengese cha Shakahola
wilingi wa maovo
Kalivo ni umanyithie nyinito erasa sikithukwa nzomo na ke ulokwa lula mauvo kwanzia ya meko ni Terry Mwende na tuyambia ni kanano NND ele mavika kikaloni kila kititwe ni muvea wa malelu na ukui musini wa masaku kwa samawoni ma NND kukonia muvango wa muvea usu wa kuangala road maintenance levy kuma silingi 18 ngenya silingi 25 kwa lita wa petro na diesel ona uyo vo movisa ama muvea wa malelu meweta kana metumia mawoni alamosa kwi andu ele kutwaisya mawala nyumo Daniel Mwangala nukutweleza
Uma mwendoni wa saa 3 masani makioko no anduelela meyumila kikaloni kicha kosa mawoni yulwa muvango wa muvea wa waki wa malelu vanana mumawisa muvea ni asu alame ovikita kutongwe SSA matinda mavalite simu matena undu wa kwika.
Sasa nimeshangaa na hii simu naona bila kumepangwa mzuri hata mpige hizo picha waone. Sasa walikuwa wamepangia nani? Ni majini wamepangiwa wakuje wajae ama ni mambuzi wamepangiwa waje wakae kwa hiyo paketi kama ni chai imepikwa ikae pale itolewe ende kausu.
NND animalesekana na kutuika mevikite masani makioko maofisa ama muvea wa malelu serikali ni akati maine konia onavanini namo maisenganiki onamatana thiwa takundu kula kungi
department mingi zimepicha kwa sababu zimetandika pesa ya public. Si wanakunywa chai na sisi tumekaa hapa hata hawaulizi sisi. Tukienda kwa public participation zile tunakunywa chai na wao tunapata hata pesa ya kukuja. Sasa hata hii mata msaa hii si alikuwa anaambia mimi siuite watu. Hebu niambia alikuwa anania saa hii si nilikuwa na yeye pale. Anaambia nikamwambia ukiuliza watu wameendia kama mkisema tuite watu ningeita watu mseme hapa iko mkutano.
Tulipata viti ya nina watu nilikuwa tu mimi na mzee mmoja hapa na vile tumekaa hapa ama officials wa Kera wamekuja saa 5:30 kuja wakakuja wakaeleza vitu ukapata that is not the way the public participation should be done. You are supposed to register first alafu uambiwe after ku register they sit in their seats wanakuwa na presentation with their presenters waambie kile kitu kimewaleta hapa alafu after hapo ndio watu wakisha assemble kila mtu atoe wao present kwanza watueleze hizo vitu zote how they came about it imekuja kufika hapo namna gani ndio na sisi sasa after they have given us everything guidance na zile materials zingine za kutueleza kile kimetuleta hapa ndio tuanze kutoa maoni yetu kama public.
Uavo NND animesa kwinuka meno thatu munene ona muandiki mama uvo alamevikite kusiesizuia kosena maoni mayinuka matena mausungi omaneki NND makuyumilia ikaloni kicha kosa maoni.
So my comments are hakuna public participation tumefanya. Tunakuja kupembelezwa tuandike majina tuko watu wawili, they didn't advertise it. Watu wa transport wanafaa kuwa hapa, matatu sector, watu wa bodaboda, watu wa transport ya trucks. Me, I'm one of them. I represent the trucks. Lakini I'm so disappointed na hakuna public participation imefanyika. And the officials are sitting in their seats and they are doing nothing. So my comments are hakuna public participation imefanyika hapa Machakos.
Lakini nimeshangaa mkubwa anakuja anasema mnafanya nini? Tukamuuliza na mbona mesa siko hapa na kitu imetangazwa ya kera ya serikali. Akasema hata ni kama alisema hii sio serikali, sio inafanya kitu ya kusangasha. Wale walikuwa hapa hata wamesikia hiyo. Hivyo watu wamesikia bila anaongea.
Daniel Mwongela, Mutungu TV, kumevaa ngione ya kumbania NND Youth Center musieni bwa Masaku.
Naende nilivoti ya kusenya na ya kumacha kuona NND mate kwiyumile ndene wa sikalota hivi si kwetwa ni serikali. Tuisonga na nzama ya mbunge ya budget ni ya weta iyithi wa yikita ilovia ila serikali ina vadhite itumike ndeni wa mivango ya vata serikali ni budget ni ya mwaka oo ona kutwika President William Ruto nuna tangazie budget ni kuolona shilingi bilioni ya naimuna miongo mwonza mwene kivila wa komiti ya budget mujumbe wa Kiharu ndende Nyoro ni waweta kana mbesa sia kuandika alimuma GSS on the mengili miongo ina nadhanda tu na kuendesya muvango wa mbolea ndevinini no kana kwelya uimi iyithi wa ikitwa ona vanini. Benjamin Mwaka no kulivoti
Veno vucho kana mivango ya watela serikali ivanie kuyanisya budget ya mwaka uthi kwa mona itina wa President William Ruto kutangaza chumwani kivitu kana budget ni kwithuya yolo na shilingi bilioni ya naimwe na miongo mwonza mwene kivilo nzama ya mbunge ya budget Ndindi Nyoro hainene kilo mbunge ni chake cha Kiharu nuaweta kana mivango ye ya vatathi kwa metino wa serikali kuvikia wigwano kana budget sector nino thika kitwe.
Wakenya wametuambia tukanyange polepole kiasi. Wakatuambia hii maneno ilikuwa tufanye kazi na ile pesa iko. Na kwa hivyo itabidi budget ambayo tulikuwa tumepitisha tuiangalie iambatane na ile pesa ambayo iko katika nchi. Sio ndio haki? Na katika hiyo mimi nataka nihakikishie Wakenya kwa sababu tutakata budget yetu na kama bilioni 177. There are things that we have already agreed that even as we cut our budget, those issues must remain because they are very important to the bosses of us, our bosses, who are the people of Kenya.
No wetakana vathi wana muvwano ndino alanywa kuandika alimu ma junior secondary nukwithwa budget ya kuandika alimu a ngili miongo na thandatu on the kwa vamwe ndino wa mwaka wa serikali vivo na yithi wa ithiolwa.
Walimu wetu wa JSS wamekuwa wamejitolea sana katika kazi yao. Na wote ambao ni 46,000 wamekuwa interns. Hiyo maneno lazima tusimame nao. Kwa sababu hata tukikata budget pahali kwingine, tunataka haki ya JSS interns idumishwe na wapewe kazi ya permanent and pensionable kwa sababu already wamejitolea kwa muda mrefu sana.
Inge Ndindi Nyoro no wathingila kana muvango wa serikali wa mbolea tho wa munini huithwa huikuniko na vanini nikwithwa mbesa hii sikitwa kelo ni kisio cha serikali cha kwa ile wemi liu ondu mwana ngetha miundani.
Fertilizer subsidy ya 10 billion bado itakaa kwa sababu tunataka wakulima wote waendelee kulima bila taswishi. Kuna mambo mengine kama ya barabara ambazo zimekwama na hiyo pia tunaangalia.
Chumani kivitu President William Ruto nunatangasia budget ya mwaka huyu olo kwa shilingi bilioni ya naimwe na miongo mwonza valakatoa miolo tokauta nikana parastato miongo na mwonza nisio kunzwa na budget movisini manene siyungamwa katwa mivango ingi hilayo ndeva niye kukutana na ngalama yulu ya mekalile.
47 state corporations with overlapping and duplicating functions will be dissolved. The decision to fill the position of Chief Administrative Secretaries is hereby suspended. The number of advisors in government shall be reduced by 50% within the public service with immediate effect. Budget lines providing for the operations of the office of the First Lady, the spouse of the Deputy President, and the Prime Cabinet Secretary will be removed.
Vilingi wa mauvo kumava musini wa Ilovi nye Nito Benjamin Mwaka
ni muvya mwaka tuisongana mbe maofisa ma uitima iliniki kana clinical officers ni maungamia mukomo ula methietwe matwaisi kwa ilungu ya mithenya 99 na vala meki ya sai ya wiwano na nzama ya magavana COG kusioka wiani kwambia kwi muthenyani wa uni ona uyo uvo maofisa ala mavokuma sivitalini ila itwa kana siungamiwe ni serikali nene maendea na mukomo ngwatanio ya maofisa ya kuko yetula muti muvea wa uiti nundu wa kolea kuyanesia mavatamo Lina Musangi na ilivoti kwa wethiani
itina wa matuku 99 makukomea wea kwa maofisa ma uiti wenda clinical officers yu maofisa ani meosiokethia weani kwi uni wakeli itina wa ngwatanio ya maofisa kuungamia mukomo una vala manengo moloto wa kusiokethia weani.
We began our strike on 1st of April after 7 days strike notice which was issued on 25th of March. And we have been on strike until today. We're now today, by virtue of signing this return to work, we are officially declaring that our strike has come to an end and our members shall resume duty in their respective place of work starting today and not later than 24 hours from the date herein.
We have come to an agreement and we have with us a framework that within around 60 days we'll be able to address the issues that we raised in our strike notice. Then that's a good thing. So what we have is a framework, as I have said, that provides for how we are going to sit down and negotiate, agree on each and every item in the CBA and in the demands that we presented.
So this has come as an opportunity, and I want to say that if I look at the issues that are divided us, they were actually, there's a very thin line because they are issues that we could agree upon. We may not be able to get to 100%, at least 99.9% agreement is good enough. On the issue that has been spoken by the chair, on the issue of the medical cover for staff, honestly the Council of Governors has done very well, the 47 counties. Because of the 47, only 7 counties are in the process of ensuring that all the health workers are onboarded on some medical scheme that is actually allowable by law.
Na huyo vo maofisa ala mathukuma hospitalini ma serikali nimekuendea na mukomo kwa kila mwandiki munene ngwatanioni George Gibore watula mutemo vya wa uiti kwa kulea kuyanisa imwe ya mawendekethio la maofisa amekwenda.
I want to thank the Excellency Governors who are here with us because we have really seen commitment from the Council of Governors. But from the Ministry of Health and the people who should actually be showing leadership, we have seen lack of it. And we have not seen that commitment. So the strike continues on the side of the Ministry of Health because there are issues that we have not been able to agree. We do not have a return to work agreement there. But for the Council of Governors, I think today is the last day of our strike. And I believe that we'll be able to cordially agree on all the issues. And I really hope that going forward, we'll be able to work together so that we do not have these kind of strikes.
The clinical officers are very critical medics in our facilities because level 4 all the way down to level 2, those are basically run by clinical officers despite the fact that we still have medical officers who are in charge, and therefore you are a very critical part of our workforce when it comes to the issues of health.
Have to do whatever it is that we're doing within the reality of living within our means. But counties are trying. Counties are trying. Even in spite of the challenges of funding, there are counties that are still recruiting healthcare workers to try and take services to the periphery and to do a lot more.
utongwatano ya magavana ni athuthia nenzima ende na kuyandikithia kwa Social Health Insurance Fund mavuthisa kana iseso yiti ya ukolania wa koti.
We have experienced a bit of resistance in a few places where our people out there think that the registration that is being done to onboard them is a form of taxing them, and I want to use this platform to ask our people out there to please enlist yourself with the new scheme of medical services, that is social health insurance, because the NHIF that you've been using is soon going to be a thing of the past.
Uripoti ya Vlingo Mauvo Nilina Musangi.
Tuitiana nezo cia mukomo ni kana serikali ya kaunti ya Masako kwesela muveani wa Mathau ni atulwa muti yulo wa uthukumi wa kuseuvwa kwa kiwanza cha Mathau cha Tala Township kwa ya Matungulu. Uthukumi ula wambie mwaka muthelu mwi wa thanthatu na kuvika umunthi uya undwa thela amwema amwika ne maelesia kulea kuyaniwa kwo ni uthukumi uu maiwetakana ne batonya kailo vya cia mulati uu ikatumika nae ni kwithiwa kaunti ino ni abathie silingi milioni inya cia kwailia kiwanza ki uyuka itina waoneni wa MCA wa Tala Jackson Ndaka wa kana nukulasimika kuthacha ukuli mbungeni ya kaunti ya Masako kunewa uthei wa kiwanza ki cha kwamie kwa nzia ila ite kueleka kana ite na umilu boni motesia nukuelesea mbeange.
Uni wewela wa kunova mwaka muthelu mwini wa thanthatu matuku 15 itina waenende kwitwa na kwikiwa umbano wa kuneungane mawoni moyo lo thukumi wa kiwanza ki matambia ya kwikiwa ikwati munene kati waenende ulwa kwalia kiwanza ki na muno amwikala makitumia nthini wa maundu ma Mathau hati kuma ivindani yuva yundungi waende ya kiwanzani ki na kithiwa kiwanza ki cha vathiwa ilovia cia kuchailia ateo chandea na kusiokewa na yuva yundu onomwa kuoneka vo ateo muthango la wetetwe kiwanzani ki vinda yu
ni kiwanza siana sioka uthaukia ni kiwanza itheta analika tamina kila twetha tweka tukaeka mazoezi maito. We want to ask this Madam Governor teo nuva actually kango tabia uwo tunaina mweke naku na itu nese no tuthukuma na itu nonie mama baambe mwaka wa mbambe itu onie wako zembete muno na wathukuma mawe maingi muno lakini ndo thukuma mawe maga kwama chambe ti siasa tukuna ndo la tubikatete za ulike bindani ya siasa tikaumia mibuto yete kile na inasa tikone siasa kitumi ndo akwembethu ate isia kiwanza keno chene ndo kiilie togiete contractor aitwa ba tokatete wakithanga kitu muthanga mutune ba muthanga mutune wona kwa mina kuwa kindu gikithage bwanza ng'ombe baona bai mundu wizila na bai kano na kamwe kathauke aba kitune keke baona kana kayuma kakaikela zine nundu wake tune ke
yue kiwanza kio na thoke mathoka ba ciana ona iji thoka ba withe ya pekito aya ba cha thoka kito jolo kajal kanombani iji bana gwa nwikala ba kiwanza ki mamyo mina cha kabino ndo jale kilie ukethe no kithoke kanesa othithi ya maundu mazoba yue tana ngatongo ikula na mayone na maithi mayekala ilobi na mayekala kwa withe ya mayo tushukulikela kwanza kene kisio muno kia legitha kisawa ukethia anaene nthini mo kitumia kwiko meeting cioba kwithona ciathi cioba
no chumani kithelu vala MCA wa Tala Jackson Ndaka unawetekana nde kwelewa ningitumikiva kiwanza kikitonya kuungama na itho mane kandalasi ula wanengeto ya kusovya kiwanza kinde mina weave welue vetange na kana kenengwa mundu ungi na weta MCA wa kisiokinu kulasimika kutoa mtatala mbungeni akaunti ya Masau kunewa utheu wa kiwanza ki
mwini wa na chumani cha karatu ngetha Mathau mausemba ama mubila na kukomanda mistala pasokoni wa Tala wodi wakwa na kila kingi dasia na nakuulia serikali wa Masako nundu chuma kingi ndunguthacia motion bungeni na botabwe kiwanza cha mia kuthela niki contractor ula wanengiwe kethani wa miwe ni wea ebetange kiwanzani poke mundu ungi chuni netha na mwika na manduma na chunundu already bill nini motion nini prepared anytime ningumete mbungeni na bandu niete mbungeni nakuulia serikali ya Masako nakuulia governor kiwanza cha Tala kithele nikenda amwika maitu weze ni mae engage na activities ile itono bindwa mikalile yo na maisha mo
kiwanza kiki thita na miso minene na muno evindani ya mbua thila kiuchuka utuma na vaa na kwithwa kiratonya utumika na ngei katikati wa skulu na miako ya nendeta mavuloti na kuenda na maite thina
ile iwazie jaketi watu kithiwa ne bando botinda wamana bailio ungaba nae iwe wakwatisi ata nenge yu eto ne kula kwa ndie na olo ni thia ndo matungulu ya matungulu thie tena wo na ne te okulia maundu matala usisie maundu matala soko watala
nondo kwe mbuga kiwanza chu wethe ya kuma ba ngina ba ya kithake kwete kiugo na kithake bwa gitu chango ko kana gitu nza ng'ombe wethe ya baba imundu ulika ba ona nza ng'ombe kwe mbuga ng'ombe ndi ongama kwa wetha ng'ombe ndi ongama nza ng'ombe kwe mbuga mundu no kwezela ba tio kwa twa kubo no kwa twa mawau ala kwaiza kiwanza kithio ke twa mabulot aye paike tha kuku 2027 tikaundu ba kulingana nondo tuthukumie kwa utu kulia kwa taina ndaya tambi ba ba kiwanza ke chatala ukotumine kiwanza ke wamino tumine kiwanza likande ni wa account yaku yonthe na mama weneze we mundu museo lakini ala wigete ground timu athoku
tikulia ngavana kolwe nithie na uthe kondo we genondo kwa mutongo yula twena nula tu nene nake ngawaza utumana yite kolete okay ground itukete nene nake
mikaya meyumilia kunena kiwanzani kima wetakanane mezi kwani watonyethe wilo vya semu nende itumikanae
kitune kecho onda kinogia jetwa ba ne resources cia andu mama tungulu kana ne mbeza sito ithie enende na inetiwe bana cie kwanangika mana we want to ask this madam governor wa Vinya Ndeti waisia etina wakwa etina wa camera ni wene ngali siende na ukua muthanga plotine zebuli ende na kwakwa yani matwikirisie airway kiwanza ke sisi abaya kategenze kie imaje mwe nene nondu angale inene siezela bayi kuya muthanga madam governor wa Vinya Ndeti pa letina pena lelo ro na izela ngale ikathukoma we ola sialeta uthukoma kiwanza ke cha kemio sa ubwa niki kikoka kikayewa chamina kuyewa ukethia ciana ikatha ukiaba u na muno analika mama tungulu mayoko tha ukiaba mama ndogeti utabia sanzo tutakubitha na tizi yaza tukuna nundu na kuya kanela teza uligazia sana tukaligazia sana nduko tozobeje kiwanza ke chambe niamba kutungia mubea ni wokie wenze dia sioni yao ziene ba letina sio zienziwe hizo zienziwe ziokazie kiwangi na miomo lakini nundu akwetha bate security mbailu miomo zoka yakua miomo na mina ukua joge yo na mundu aligaze tethia wilika muamone wethe ya maibu mumbe wa 10 siambie muamone ukethia na ndomina ulikaba
kaundi ne Masako talanyeni toboni mutesia
na ine twikwatikana kio cha ene nthi yasu na muno wa muikasu nikekuwika nondo wa methukisia mena wo muno mekulia governor wa Vinya akwatisie ata na inde measembeza cia mwene nthi ni witha situmikana inondo ni java they mbesa na yu KS othela kufikio munthi metho maitu metha vo tukitha twigutabia ni chao kiende nthini wa kiwanza kiu na maundu alangi nthini wa isio situ ti kaunti ya Masako yoka nthini kaunti situ cionthe cia itatu tukunikile milati ya nthi undu yende kana mbesa sio ni ciende no tumika undu bailite ndukathi basa kwa uyu matukani
musese witu mwendwa mutongo TV ni avwila ukambani na yakwata nzeve ya luma no tumevusa ye kufikia mamilioni ma andu alama tosia isi ya kila muthenya kwa kutangasithia biasala waku kana kumanithia alama vasa ila mwendo waku watutia kwisila imanithia sia iku kwa mavombe yange tufikie kwisila nambani ya simu noti imwe ina kenda ile na itatu monza kana ututume email kwisila sales@mutongotv.co.ke Mutongo TV ni yongwatanio ya mukamba tukwatanie twaile biasala situ
mikalile itu yende vindukite kuatiania na ukwati anigo mile itu yende na kuvinduka umandiwa iloviano tumetetoe wane vinda ya kuika mazoezi na nigo mawome kosa ibuso zeve ila toveva mataoni ebulanete na sindo mbingi na twasiani kokoseo ila mundu wathi sivitali we musiteye na ote musiteye ndakitali amana atava kwambia kwi alama enda mate awau inde ivimo ikonaniani awau leoni indi mundu wailite kosa itambia ya kuthi sivitali kui kudhoa ndawa ndukani sia kudhosia ndawa ni kwa ilete ni chao kwa ilete kumana yulua mwau na ndawa kwa cheni na kwa masikitaka kilawa kwa mbililia kumasa ili inandatika miongo inakiwiyoni kilunguni cha OET tunaina niambiange yulua uima waku wa mwi ni vaa Mutongo TV watanio ya mukamba.
Dial *811*461# to get Matthew 17 verse 20 as your skiza tune.
Matthew chapter 17 verse 20. For I assure you, if you have faith the size of a mustard seed, You will tell this mountain, move from here to there, and it will move. Nothing will be impossible for you. Amen.
Dial *811*461# to get Matthew 17 verse 20 as your skiza tune.
Kalivo niende na kumanyithia koti wa Shanzu kaunti ya Mombasa ni wambese iseso ya kukulia makulio ngosi cia yokwani ila yikumbelete mutavania mwanganga ni Paul Ndenge Makenzi na muka wa Keroda Mumbua Mawewu na esililwa angi miongo kenda na atatu na ila ni ya uwani na siku cia kiumamai ila cia yatoiwe kitekani cha Shakahola kaunti ya Kilifi na kutuma ene ndembe wa maana atano matua ni thayo yu ngaleko ya usikata ni na ila ya utetei nimekiasa hii kwa mbese iseso ye valangose ikwethiwa ielesia kila cha kitikie kitekani keu valangale kwa usikata ni ya weta na vena ukose wa kweana na ula ni vamwe na simu na visa ila ikuona niya undu esililwa a maendie uvathukanu na uthasio wa uthaithi na kutoa isesiko cia uwani kwanzia kivathukanio. Angelina Mose na ilivoti kwa withiana.
Usili wa makwani kotini wa Shanzu lea juma ni umia mamulo wangaliko usikata na leo tete ikuiki ya saina kuambisia yesaso ya kukulia maukuli na kuwethu kisi ya ngosi siya ikwani ila yemwe kumbili te Paul Ndenge Makenzi mkawa Keroda Mumbua Mawewu na esililwa angi miongo kenda na atatu na ila ni ya uwani na kudhiyo vathukanu na miya ya udhaithi.
The defense be at liberty to further cross-examine the witnesses who will adduce the evidence in the absence of the 27th accused once they have seen the accused as well to resume trial. The further consent is that this court be and is hereby guided by the High Court order dated 11th of June 2024 for the protected witnesses listed therein. Then the last one is by both parties to make oral opening statements regarding the case hearing.
Kwa nangaliko ya usikata ni kana ukosi ula ukuvikia kumwa ne ngosi imiongo kenda withiwa wesimo na nziengi cia kimitandao na ila sietekeletwe ni koti visa wavoma na kuvika nthini wa kisio kila kisanga kicha kitiki na kila ni kithekani cha Shakahola kwasenia maukosi kivathukonya na ala ngosi ii kuvikia kumya.
Your Honor, the evidence will reveal how the actions of the accused stem from the same series of events and transactions with other offenses they are facing in different courts, will not be tried here for reasons of jurisdiction, such as murder and manslaughter. And that includes crime against the surviving minors, who are also witnesses in this case. Naturally, therefore, in the presentation of the evidence to support the charges, in this court, we will only request this Honorable Court to consider and admit those facts as relevant and admissible.
Imasi yangosi ikwe na nangaliko ya usikata ni kuvikia kuelesia undu esililwa a kwanzia imwe kana ingi makoniswa na uwani mesi na uwani matesi wa andu mbewa maana atano na undu namba nene ya ngosi iya vikie kuvonokea na undu manyama iswe ni esililwa a kithekane kiu cha Shakahola.
Now, Your Honor, to substantiate the prosecution's case, we will present both direct and circumstantial evidence with around 90 prosecution witnesses. We'll also use numerous pieces of real and documentary evidence, including electronic and other forms of digital evidence.
Makuetekana mena ukusi wa kuyana na ulo kuonania undu esililwa a mavikie kuthio vathukonu na uthasio wa uthaithi mesilia na kutuma maana ma ene nthi matiwa ni thayo ni kumana na kikundi kila maseuviti kwa isito ya kanisa na kumalulutisha ene nthi kulea kuyanikana kumwona ngai ovoma na undu mwesililwa wa mbei kwani ni ye na ula ni Paul Ndenge Makenzi wavangitha cia maundu mamikumukanile na ndambuka na maundu ma usesei nikana kuikithia vaie mundu unamwona kwa kumya meya ungito na kale nikana kumavicha ene nthi kithekani cha Shakahola. Wanawe volo ya esililwa au Cliff Makasembo no watakana ukusi wina wana ni wakana esililwa ame na mavitio mauani na maundu ondhela maketikie kithekani cha Shakahola nginya ila koti ukusila kwe musiliwa makwani ukawetekana mena mavitio vala wenda uwona miya uvikie kunga makatendi inu eseso ye na ethi wangaliko ya usikata nindi ethi wana ukusi umuyanu na ula wona netekana esililwa a makonisyo na siko ikoti uwethi wana undungi atio kumalecha.
Your hands are tied by law. End of this trial, you must come to a determination whether or not that burden of proof was well established by the prosecution. And I wish to reiterate that should they fail to meet that burden, we only have one option: quit the accused persons.
Ona uyo vandiki mama ovo maenetikilwe kwithiwa vo kavindani kala ngosi ikukula swa maukuli ungalika usikata ni yiwete kanani mwamulo ula umetwe ni koti munene chino wa muvia wa kusese ya ngosi kana Witness Protection Agency kukuli ya ngosi kumikati wa siesi onde miongo kenda kunengwa usesei gilivote ya vilingi wa mauvo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa nita wa Angelina Mose.
Tuisonga na mbele ngwatanio yemwe ya amwika kuma kauntini ya Masako ni ya kule serikali ya kaunti hii ya Tiemolo tolo na nenganiwe ni serikali wako betawiyani andu alama vikiti miaka ya udhumu ya uya nekana kunenga amwika mianya ya udhukuma na serikali ya Masako mainena kwisila kwe mwene kivila wo bwana Henok ni mawe ta serikali ya kaunti ya Masako yethitwe ndinenga andu waku mianya ya mawea na kutia amwika maende na unyama muno matena mawea.
Ithi nienda kuunga mukono wendekethio wa musumbi wa andu ala onthe mabikise miaka 60 mathiu muye wea nikenda amwika maitu matone ukwata wea nundu tina amwika ingi matone ukwata wea na wikile wathi kusisia wea uyithia bena atumia na andu aku matone ukuthumia amwiko kathuma na muno chuke itungwa katika account sito kindu kila kina neni kindu kila amwika menda ukulia nundu ukawithie katika andu ala mema weani andu ingi mundu na miaka 70 mundu na miaka 80 nukuthukuma na pe mwana youth unamini usoma wina kila kindu na ndana akwata we kwa utenda ukulia musumbi na serikali yake mate ani sirisungi na ku counting government mundu onde wa corrupt with the all bengi na wakande kwa county the manager na county ndulumya inuka tuete we andu atheu matauza mundu wothie bengi ndalumya county nundu nake nongina amemine ndikatu the notongo imusio ulote andu maitu sibitali zithe ndawa na tira na kiwu na nzia zitu isewa ndi not yenda mundu mulusani na mae te andu la mena lusani ithita andu mamuika tika maweta na tima umili na cha keli katika serikali yitu ni bangita mawela metha mema muika mawela metha memani nenda ukulia mangaba naonde kindu jambe cha umila makamba onenga muika mawia ona etha niba mundu wa muika ambao kwata wia nikeno kethia na itu nitwende na nyaka twikagire tumilia andu mamuika magita onena na sasia wia mawia maineo andu angutenda kulia mangaba na maitu first priority yambe metha methumbanije kunenga amuika wia nikenda nthino itu nundu tuketha ati atongo imauni na twitwika atongo imauni tiende na twika chionze.
Alimu alame kwenda kuthi kusomethia nthi sianza ni matuna mote serikali kwa kuselewa kuma kwa visa ila me kuteta kana ni matungete tina monoki mawia mainena itina wakumba na alimu a na alame na mianya ya mawia nthini wanthi ila siende ki ukwati ni mateta kana visa ni siosa ivinda yasa mono siuma na ni ivinda yu serikali imathinikie.
God for what he has done for us. For you to be here, there's an opportunity in the US. Okay? He is our attorney, immigration attorney in the US.
Okay, my plea to the Kenyan government is to talk to the people concerned in issuing of the visas to speed up the process, at least so that our teachers can reach on time in the US and start up with the learners as they open for the new whatever semester without any delay. With the visas delay, it is going to really affect our teachers.
According to what we were told that indeed there are delays, and the delays were caused by the fact that some people were trying to present papers that were not legitimate. So on the US side, they had to delay the process on account of that. So some people, yes, the process may delay, but ultimately they will still make their way to the United States. We were given that assurance. Absolutely, yes. If the government can do that, then it will be advantageous to the teachers who have gone through all the processes except that part that is still being a hindrance. So if the government can expedite the process, the teachers will appreciate, I believe.
About the visas, they have delayed so much, and I will beseech the president to please hurry up and ask the ambassadors to issue the visas very fast so that the teachers who have been chosen to go there to go and do their work.